Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment and share. It is very important to your baby girl. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload new video, you will be the first to be notified. And for those who subscribe to my YouTube channel, I say may God continue to bless you all. So guys, today's video we are going to be unboxing this box together. If you want to know what is inside, do watch my video to the end, and see you on my next video. Bye. Hello guys, so today we are going to be unboxing this together. So I'm trying to open it now, but it's a bit hard. Yeah, I ordered them together, but it came in different boxes. So in here we have just 3 products. Yeah, see, just 3. So I'll have the other one. So this is the shampoo. So I'll be opening another one first. So and this is another one. The third one, you know. So I just have only 3 inside here. This is the third one. So right now we are going to be unboxing the second one together. Yeah guys. I don't really know why it came in different boxes. I don't really know why. It's kind of bizarre, you know. So it's okay. So I got all these products for myself. You know, my front head is something else. So I'm trying so hard to make sure I have it back. That is it, guys. That is it. So what do you think? You know, getting all this for myself is okay. So I don't really know why it came in different boxes. I ordered them together, but it came in different boxes. No problem. It's okay, no problems. Okay, you know, I've been having problems with my front hair, so I'm trying so hard, you know, to get my front hair back. I really bought a lot of products for my hair, you know, although they are working in a different way. So as you can see, I have so many products here, you know, so it's okay. It's okay. So I pray it's all work fine, you know. The products have their own work to do. So, you know, as I said earlier, they all have their works to do. As for this is the shampoo. So it's to make your hair very, very soft, to stop breaking, you know. So that is it. And I have Easy Pulse, which is to make your hair grow very, very, very fast, you know. So all these products I got for myself is just for the front hair, you know, but it also go for all my hair. But the reason why I just got this product for myself is just because of the front hair, the way I lose so much hair at the front. That is just it, guys. I love this product so much. Although it's my first time of having these products, I pray. So this new product right here, I pray it works fine. So guys, see you on my next video. Thanks for always watching my video. Thanks for being there for me. You know, without you guys, there isn't sexy or sass. Thanks so much, and see you guys on my next video. Bye.